Yardi Voyager tutorial, everything you need to know about Yardi Voyager. Now, Yardi Voyager is a comprehensive property management and accounting platform widely used across the real estate industry. Whether you're a property manager, account, or IT administrator, mastering Voyager can significantly enhance your operational efficiency. So here's a structured guide to help you get started. Now, this is a web-based platform designed to manage various aspects of property management, including leasing, maintenance, accounting, and reporting. Its modular designs allow organizations to tailor to the system to the specific needs, making it suitable for both residential and commercial property management. So over here, there is a demo option where you can go ahead and try to see if Yardi Voyager is actually a flexible or good tool for you. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and put in pretty much the details in order to book a demo for you to try Yardi Voyager. Now for the training resources, there is a client central. So for licensed clients, Yardi offers a comprehensive training library through Client Central, which includes on-demand courses, instructor-led webinars, and training videos. There's also independent consultants, so Gelgroup Academy, tailored for aspiring administrations and advanced users. There's also the Saxony Partners provided resources like the Ultimate Yardi Guide, offering insights into system setup and practices. And for the community forums and discussions, there is still details where you can go ahead and find more info about Yardi Voyager for you to be able to use it more efficiently. But for the way to get started, all you have to do is assess your role to determine which modules are most relevant to your responsibilities, utilize available resources, so leverage Client Central if you are a licensed user, engage with the community, and practice hands-on to apply what you've learned in the test environment to reinforce your understanding. So if you want to learn more about Voyager itself, just go ahead to any preferred website and search for Yardi Voyager. And the first link should bring you to their official website and page where you can go ahead and learn more about them. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.